Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings.
Hey friends, welcome back to our channel. This is Joby May from the Bukid Life here in Spain. In today's video, we are going to cook loofah gourd, guys. I'm going to show you how I cook this loofah gourd, and it is so delicious. It is one of our favorite dish here in our house. The only sad thing, guys, is I can't grow loofah here. I don't know why. That's why this loofah, I bought this one. The first thing you have to do is just to peel the skin of the loofah, and then once you peeled it, you have to cut in circles, just like the video that is coming or the clip that is coming. I tried to grow this kind of loofah, but I didn't success, guys. But the other one, the round loofah gourd, yes, I was successful in growing that one. So you can cook this loofah gourd in so many ways, guys, but this is my favorite way to cook it. So I just saute this with garlic, onion, and then I add also some slices of meat. You can add maybe chicken as well if you like, but I used the pork here, pork meat, and also you can use beef if you like or if you have. But if you don't have, don't worry, just use any kind of meat you have. And also I added some tomatoes because I have tomatoes in our garden, and yeah, that gives flavor and also color. And my darling Lakota is here, and she's telling me something that she want to do, and while I'm cutting this loofah gourd. So that's how I cut this loofah gourd, guys.
We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shot from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. We're gonna be.
In this dish, I used one onion, that is medium size of onion, and garlic. And these are from our garden and they are organic. I grew these onion and garlic, guys, and I am so happy to use these because they are all organic, and yeah, I'm very happy to use this in our dish or in our, yeah, everyday cooking. Okay, so I will use this miswa, and this miswa is the one that we bought from the Asian store, guys, the other day or yesterday. And now it's time to eat, friends. And I also have this pancetta. They call it pancetta, the belly, the pork belly, guys. Yeah. Let's eat, everyone.